Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to safely debloat your Android phone using Universal Android Debloater, also known as UAD. First, click the link in the description below to access the download pages for the two files we need, Android Platform Tools and the Universal Android Debloater tool. Once both files are downloaded, extract their compressed contents on your computer. Make sure that the UAD executable file and the Android Platform Tools contents are located inside the exact same single directory layout. Double-click the UAD executable file to launch the application interface layout. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Important: you must enable USB debugging inside your phone's developer options and make sure your computer has the correct OEM USB drivers installed. If a permission prompt appears on your phone screen asking to allow USB debugging, tap Allow or Always Allow from this computer. Once your phone is successfully connected and detected, the tool interface will display a list showing which system apps are safe and recommended to uninstall. You can simply click the Select All button at the top left to select all recommended apps, or if you only want to disable a few specific apps, you can choose them individually, one by one. Once your desired apps are chosen, click on Review Selection at the bottom right corner of the layout screen. Here, you can carefully review your selection details before executing any changes. Click on Apply to begin the automated debloating process. Once the process is finished, you can safely unplug your phone and enjoy a cleaner, faster Android experience. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.